Trời mất dép luôn. Bay trên trời luôn á, thấy không? Bay quá trời phải không? Có gì vậy?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Sheena, and welcome to Full Safety Theater for High Flyers. Thank you. Now this morning we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. And we hope you leave the show feeling amazed about bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for our feathered friends across the world. Now speaking of feathered friends, I'm sure some of you saw some of our feathered friends on stage earlier on, right? Now those are known as the bantam chickens, and they are here to commemorate the year of the rooster. Now we're going to welcome one more bantam chicken to join you on stage. Now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes at that hut and let's welcome Chicky, our female bantam chicken. Good job, Chicky. Now many of you might think that chickens can't fly, okay? However, that is not true, and we just witnessed one flying down to me on stage. Very good job, Chicky. You can make your way back home. So right now we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Now in the wild, macaws love to congregate on palm trees and feast on palm nuts. Now right here on stage, we have a palm tree right up there, and if you look up there, you have some fruit attached to the tree, okay? Now ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our birds. Everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome our first bird. Now this is Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. Two more friends joining from up there once again, and here comes Lambo. And our scarlet macaws. Now macaws like them can be found in the jungles of South America. So what happens after feeding? These birds, they often fly to rocky surfaces just like these to lick up on clay or chalk. And this will help them in the digestion of any unharmed fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Now still the birds are still right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be their next stop. So in the meantime, we will have more birds joining us on stage. Now birds like them are known to gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. So right now we will have a little competition for these two birds, and they will need supporters, okay? So people from the middle to my right. Now you will be supporting Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. All you have to just clap your hands. And you go Zonda, Zonda, Zonda. Wow, very good Zonda supporters. Now let's get people on this side, okay? People over here, we will cheer on for Barry, our green wing macaw. Same thing, clap your hands and you try to go loud and shout, Barry! 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 Stop! Very good. Let's have the bird to the table. Now what I have right here is a hollow tree trunk. And what these two birds have to do is gather 4 fruits each, okay? So supporters, remember to cheer for the birds. Birds are ready, let's go!
Barry!
Good job, Barry. Yes, Celine. What happened to Zonda? What? Warm up, she said. Excuses. Are you asking for one more game? Shall we have one more game? Alright, very good supporters we have right here. Okay, now Zonda supporters, try to cheer louder, because the louder you cheer, the faster these birds might run, okay? Once again, 4 fruits on each side of the table. On your mark, get set, go! Equally good at getting in food. Let's give it up for Barry and Zonda. I'll play it from a chorus. So as you can see right here in the bird park, we give our birds fun activities to do very similar to what they do in the wild. And this is called enrichment. Now in the wild, some birds will forage for seeds and nuts. Now everyone take a look right up there. Now my friend is holding on to an enrichment device, which is a rope tied into knots, okay? Now inside those knots we have hidden some treats for the birds to find, okay? Alright, now looks like our volunteer is ready. Everyone keep your eyes at the nest box on stage. And here comes our sun corners. There you go. Wow! These are one of the smallest species in the parrot family. Now these birds, they often fly in huge flocks. So just imagine how colorful but noisy these birds will be. Now right here in the bird park, not only are we active in conservation, but we get our school children involved as well. The next box right over there, that was built by the students from Greenridge Primary School in conjunction with okay? There goes our sun corners. Not to worry, we need 2 more volunteers. Get the attention of Sa'ad right over there, and in the middle, okay, Lina already got a volunteer. Now every morning, the male and the female toucan will leave their nest look for food to feed their young.
Kêu ai giơ tay lên nâng xuống cho chim đậu kìa.
Lovely toucans joining us on stage, okay? Now just a gentle reminder, these birds, they will be flying very low above your heads. Okay, so if you're not the volunteer, please remain seated at all times and do not reach out to touch the birds, okay? Now, looks like our first volunteer is ready. Everyone, look at the nest box. Look at that hut right over there.
Alright. Wow.
Now, these birds are known as the Toko toucan.
Whoa.
Toko toucans are the toucan family, easily recognizable by their bright and orange bills. Now, despite having large bills, these birds remain very agile in flight. Now, to demonstrate that, okay, before that, now let's wait for the toucans to fly to our second volunteer.
Wow.
Alright, once again, remain seated if you're not the volunteer, okay? Now, the short one, my friend Saad is going to go into the middle. Now, what he's going to do, he's going to toss out a fruit each. Real high for the toucans to catch, okay? Now let's see if they can do this. Alright, Saad, are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, up it goes!
Wow!
That was a great catch. Now the other toucans, why don't everyone count together with me? Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4! There you go! And another perfect catch. Our lovely Toko toucan. And I'm going to introduce these birds here, okay? Now this one right here, this is Mrs. Axel. The one beside, that is Mr. Axel, our husband and wife team. Now these birds, they are very loyal to one another, okay? So I'm going to place them on the sun right here. It's time for them to head back home. Now home is that way. Now Mr. Axel, you lead the way. Mr. Axel, you follow. Our Toko toucan! Now what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. And they do this in the wild for social communication. Now the yellow-named Amazon right here is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, okay? So everyone, why don't you get your video cameras ready? Now can we start with something simple? Why don't you say hello? Hello!
Oh.
Very nice and sweet hello. Now let's get into introduce himself, okay? Tell them your name. Amigo! Did you catch that? Now his name is Amigo. And Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you?
Oh.
Asking how are you? So how are you feeling? Good?
Good.
There you go, that's very nice to hear. Amigo here is very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, amigo. Let's attempt to count in another language, okay? Amigo, this time around, why don't you count in Chinese? 很好 is very good in Chinese. Amigo here also loves to sing. He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages, okay? The first song is a local children's song called Current Life, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? Current Life. Indonesia called Rasa Saya, which means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Saya. Rasa Saya, Rasa Saya, but before Amigo start to sing, any one of you celebrating your birthdays today? If it's a birthday, please raise your hand. Okay, from this section, any birthdays? Okay, I don't see anyone. Okay, got 2 of you, both of you celebrating your birthday? Okay, you got 2 so far. Anyone else? What about the middle section? 3, 4. Anyone up there? 5. Another young man. Okay, now the last section, any birthdays? 6, 7. Alright. That's all. Now for the 7 of you, Amigo is to sing you. Oh, okay, all the way up there. Okay, you've got 8 and 9. Okay, for 9 of you, Amigo will sing you a special song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Kaya mo.
Happy birthday to you. There you go.
Wow. Welcome, huh?
Thank you for celebrating your birthday right here in the birth house, alright? Now it's time for Amigo to go, but before that, can all of you please wave and say bye-bye, Amigo! Johnson, what do you say? Bye-bye! 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 There you go, let's give it up for Amigo, ladies and gentlemen, our yellow, neat, Amazon parrot. Now to see Amigo perform, many of you might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot. But do keep in mind that certain species of parrots, they can live up to 80 years. Okay, 80 years, and they require lots of time and commitment. So please do bear that in mind before getting yourself a pet parrot, okay? Now the next 2 birds coming out are going to show us how loving hornbills can be. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right over there. And let's welcome Vicky, our great high hornbill. Oh, good morning, Vicky. Now I'm going to come up close to some of you, so I need your cooperation. Remain seated at all times and do not reach out to touch the bird once again, okay? Now when the female hornbill wants to nest, they will look for cavities or holes in trees. And right in the bird park, we have successful breeding programs for our hornbills. Now this is because we give them nest boxes, very similar to that nest box right up there, okay? Now I will be coming up the staircase out, so people around me remain seated, okay, and do not reach out to touch the bird, okay, and no sudden
Cô đem chim lên kìa.
please. Do not want to touch the bird,
Nè,
okay?
cho em chim rồi con.
Okay, I'm just gonna go a bit more closer to the nest box.
Wow.
Okay, people on the other side remain seated, please. Hi, sir, ma'am. Settle down. The bird will be flying towards your direction. There you go. Thank you very much. Okay, Vicky, check out your nest box. Vicky, the nest box is to your right. There you go. Very cute. Oh, now what she's doing, she's inspecting the interior of the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Look at that. In she goes. Now once inside, the female will seal herself using soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. Now Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal that now.
Oh.
Vicky, are you still inside? There she is. Now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Sunny. Your bird cubs, animal icon, another great kite hornbill. So in the lot, the female will stay inside, the male will have to look for food and feed her. So this will go on for about 3 to 4 months until after the eggs are hatched. Their mother and child will leave the nest. Now right here in the bird park, we have successfully bred oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like these. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released these birds into nature reserve and also right here in the bird park itself. So while you're walking around the park, do look up right. You might be able to spot some free-flying oriental pied hornbills. Oh, look at that. Wasn't he supposed to land on your head, huh? Take 2. There you go. Hornbills, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice music. Now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight, okay? So if you want to volunteer, please raise your hands and get the attention of the 3 trainers that are coming towards your section, okay? And only if the trainers call you, then you walk towards them, right? And also look at the scarlet macaws' wings as they fly past you. Now this helps them to swoop through branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. Now unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at a rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. So let's all save these beautiful birds by simply doing 3 things: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now once again, if you're not holding onto the hoop, please remain seated, okay? Thank you very much. Okay, the lady in the dress, green dress, okay, thank you. And our girls, Patina. Long-tailed feathers and sharp eyesight. This helps these birds remain very agile and maneuverable while flying. Now to demonstrate that, next these 2 birds are going to take off from 2 different ends of the stage and hopefully meet each other at the center hoop, okay? Center volunteer, please hold your hoop straight and steady. Right, now let's see, volunteers are ready. Is Patina ready? Ready and go!
Wow!
A perfect cross! Thank you very much, Eileen and Patina. Thank you. Now finally, Vega here has got a last flight to do, okay? Uchi, I say last flight. I need the red hoop. No more, it's just behind you. Are you going to use the bag? It's going to fly into the bag. Oh, there's something inside the bag, okay? Everyone take a look at Putri. Let's see what she's got, okay?
Oh, too small, huh?
Are you sure Vika can fly to that small pool? She is confident. Now, I know this because macaws have streamlined bodies which helps them to fly through the dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers of predators. Now everyone, Vega needs to focus. Are you ready, Vega? And lift off.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
And Vega, you did it. Let's give Vega another round of applause. Well done, Vega. Now you can fly home back to me. A parrot's beak can be very strong when it comes to cracking hard nuts. But when quiet, they can be very gentle as well. Now to demonstrate that, I've got this coupon to give away. Who wants this coupon? Raise your hand. Okay, now I'm going to pick the young man right there in the section. Yes, you. Yes, you. Are you afraid of birds? Yes? No? No? Okay, very good. Can you go to my friend Nina? Okay, I need you to stretch out your arm, open your palm, palm facing skywards, okay? Now what's going to happen? A bird is going to fly all the way up. It's going to land on your head. It's going to put this coupon down on your palm. So all you have to just close your fingers and hold on to the coupon, okay? Alright, now without further ado, here comes Sassy, our Southburg-crested cockatiel. Hi Sassy. See the young man right there? Take this coupon, give it to the young man. Very
Wow,
good.
very
Put the
good.
coupon down. There you go. Now young man, look at that coupon. With that coupon, just got yourself a free cold drink from the Birds of Play Playground. Thank you. Can I get one more volunteer? One more.
À, bữa nào vô
Oh
lên.
wow.
Vô lên hả?
So many hands. All of you want free drinks.
Giơ tay lên kìa, con chim nó đậu lên trên tay con.
But listen up.
Dạ không?
This time round, no more free drinks to give away. I need something from you instead. I need someone who can show me money. Money in a note from the first person. Oh, okay. I've got a young lady right there in front. Are you afraid of birds, young lady? Is she okay to do this? She's okay? Okay, can I just see her eye? Can she come to the staircase up? She might be a little small for this, okay? Let me just, okay, she's perfect.
Oh,
Very good. Now, young
bé
lady,
ăn xíu rồi ha.
to my friend Nina. Okay, just fold the money into half, fold it into another half. Hold it between your thumb and index finger, money pointing upwards. Very good. Thank you for your assistance, Nina. Okay, now young lady, don't move. Okay, stay still. Right, now the people in front remain seated. You do not want to confuse the bird, okay? Please sit down. Thank you. Okay, Sassy. Look at that. She's got money, Sassy. What do you do when you see money? Take the money. Good girl. Come on. There you go. Now young lady, don't move. Watch where your money goes. Did you have fun? You had fun? Yes, we're gonna try this one more time. Can you ask mommy for, I've got $2, maybe $5 this time. And I'm just kidding, okay? Now maybe just take a seat where you are. Sassy will return the money back in a short while after my message, okay? Now for those of you who like to help the animals, do come on down after the show.